Are you ready to unleash your inner artist and immerse yourself in the mesmerizing world of marbling on fabric? Join me, a marble artist, in this exciting video as I guide you through the process of creating stunning, one-of-a-kind patterns on canvas fabric using the traditional method of pouring colors. You'll see how the colors blend, flow and create mesmerizing patterns that are unique and beautiful. The process is satisfying to watch and even more satisfying to create. Not only is marbling on fabric a great way to unwind and de-stress, it also allows you to create one-of-a-kind art pieces that you can be proud of. In this video, I'll be sharing tips and techniques that I've learned throughout my experience as a marble artist. From the importance of using the right type of paint and size of canvas fabric, to the technique of manipulating the colors on the fabric, you'll learn everything you need to know to create your own marbled masterpieces. I'll also show you how to control the size of the pattern and how to layer different colors to create depth and dimension. Here we are splashing the multiple color over the surface. I am using Methacel for marbling size. It depends upon the artist's personal choice, as I am comfortable with Methacel cause it's available easily. And the best part? We'll be using our marbled canvas fabric to create a beautiful tote bag, but the possibilities are endless. You can use your marbled fabric to make clothing, accessories, home decor and more. Imagine the compliments you'll receive when you carry your own unique marbled tote bag. Don't
Don't miss out on this opportunity to learn from a marble artist and discover the magic of marbling on fabric. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment with your thoughts, and give the video a like and share. Let's create something beautiful together. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment with your thoughts, and give the video a like and share. Let's create something beautiful together.